I'm absolutely loving the Youth to the People Adaptogen Skin Repairing Moisturizer. This rich and luxurious cream is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. It provides long-lasting hydration and leaves my skin feeling super nourished and soft. The formula is packed with amazing ingredients like adaptogenic mushrooms, peptides, and antioxidants that work together to soothe, calm, and repair the skin. I particularly love that it has natural scent, non-comedogenic, and pH balanced, making it perfect for sensitive skin. The ingredients include adaptogenic mushrooms like reishi and chaga to help skin adapt to stress and promote balanced peptides to support skin elasticity and firmness, antioxidants to protect skin from environmental stressors and promote overall skin health. I use it at night, and it's become a staple in my skincare routine. The texture is amazing. It's thick and creamy, but absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's hydration levels, and it looks more radiant and plump. The only reason I'm not giving it 5 stars is the weird natural scent. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely noticeable. If you're sensitive to scents, you might want to be aware of this. Overall, I definitely recommend this moisturizer to anyone looking for a gentle, effective product that provides long-lasting hydration and nourishment.